friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video, so we're going to be making something sweet. Remember the Lotus Biscoff biscuits I spoke to you guys about, which naturally happen to be vegan? So we're going to be making a Biscoff dessert. Let's get started.
So first we're going to be making the base, for which we're going to need 4 biscuits. And we can add them in a Ziploc. We can put them in a Ziploc, shut the Ziploc well, and crush it with the help of a rolling pin. Once the biscuits are crushed well, we can remove it in a bowl, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted vegan butter and mix it really well. So I'm going to be making this Biscoff dessert in a small little glass, which is approximately a little more than 2 inches tall and almost 3 inches wide. The measurements that I'm going to be taking are according to this glass, so you can alter the measurements according to your dessert jar. Now we can spread this in the glass as the base. So this will be our first and bottommost layer of our dessert. So for the second layer of the dessert, we're going to make a vanilla custard, for which in a blender I'm going to add around 40 grams of cashew that I've soaked in water for a couple of hours and rinsed the water, around 1/4 cup of coconut cream, a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. In case you wish to use unrefined raw sugar or any other form of sweetness, make sure to at least add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup followed by your other sweetener alternative, because the combination of maple syrup and the cashews and coconut cream gives an amazing custard flavor. So next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and now we can blend this. And our vanilla custard is done. So now we're going to add this on top of the biscuit base. And you can chill it for a while before you add the top layer. So for the top layer, we're going to make a cookie butter, for which in a blender I'm going to add around 3 biscuits, 2 tablespoons of vegan melted butter, 2 tablespoons of soy milk or any plant-based milk, a tablespoon of unrefined raw sugar, and a couple pinches of cinnamon powder. Now we can blend this. And our cookie butter is ready. Now we can spread this on top of our vanilla custard, which should be a little firm and set as I have chilled it for a while. And we can spread this as evenly as possible. And finally, I'm going to decorate it by keeping a Lotus Biscoff biscuit right on top. This dessert is very yummy. It's a delight.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please go ahead and try it and enjoy your yummy Biscoff vegan dessert. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.